Yeah, the three big key learnings for Whirlpool was number one, the importance of having a very, very clear strategy. Whirlpool was a very branded company. We knew all about consumers. But when we started using the MFD process with modular management, what became very clear was that we had gaps in our strategy. So one of the first things we had to do in order to really do justice for the architecture, we had to fill in some holes in our strategy. So, and that did nothing but help everything else inside the company in terms of how we message. There was an adjacent value for having gone through the process. So that was a real key learning. The second key learning was we thought we knew how to do modularity. We would ask our engineers, they would say, I know how to do modularity. What's new about this? It became very clear very early that everything we thought about modularity, we really needed to forget about modularity because we were really doing something that was very different. You would expect that. We expected a different outcome. It needed to be something different. So we really had to untrain, and we literally changed language. We didn't call it modularity, we call it architecture. The third key learning was conceptually, this is pretty easy to understand. You know, it's kind of like Lego blocks. So when you talk to senior leaders, they kind of, I get that. I get that. What they didn't get was how hard it is to do right. So it's a little bit of a, you know, easy to understand, you get people on board, but if you assume just because you understand it, it's easy to do, then you could run into problems. So I was constantly reminding senior management, I know you understand it, but trust me, it's really hard to get it right.